I wanted this makeup to feel soft and soothing, so I took inspiration from the color of dried rose and turned it into pastel, muted, and naturally elegant. I am starting by prepping my skin with an oil-free moisturizer, making sure to apply it on my neck as well. Then I am using a matte blurring primer on the oily areas of my face for a smoother base. Next I'm using an orange color corrector on my under eyes, around my mouth and on any dark spots on my face. I personally don't stick to one concealer as I haven't found my perfect shade match yet. I prefer working with a concealer palette that includes both concealer and color corrector shades. I'm blending it all out gently using a small beauty blender for a natural seamless finish. After that, I'm picking up a concealer shade from the same palette and applying it exactly where I used the orange corrector, slightly extending it to the surrounding areas as well. Then I'm blending everything out using the same beauty blender, making sure the coverage looks even and seamless. After that, I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Since I haven't found my exact shade match yet, I mixed 3 different shades together in a small serum container and used that on my face. I apply it in dots and blend it out using a beauty blender, making sure to blend it on my neck as well. It may look slightly washed out at first, but once it oxidized, it matches my skin tone perfectly. Next I'm using the Mars eyebrow pencil in shade 102. It also comes with a built-in brush which helps make the brows look fuller and more natural. I'm gently filling in the outer gaps using the pencil. For blush, I'm using a very bright pink lip and cheek tint. I don't personally enjoy it on my lips, but it works beautifully as a blush. I'm applying it lightly wherever I want and blending it for a soft flushed look. I'm also using the same tint on my eyes because my eyeshadow palette has a light pink for the base but no deeper pink for crease. That's the reason I'm blending it out on the eyes to add depth and warmth. I am using Elf Rose Water Bite eyeshadow palette and picking soft pastel pink shade to apply all over the eyelids. I am also using the same shade under the eyes on the aegusal area to softly highlight it and give the eyes a more youthful bright look. Taking black shade and applying it just below the waterline to add a soft definition to the eyes. Now taking this champagne shimmer and applying it on the aegusal area to softly highlight it. I'm using this soft pink shimmer and applying it all over my eyes using my finger. The shimmer is very fine and delicate, giving luminous glow. Next I'm using the Elitine compact powder with a small brush, focusing on the oily and crease prone areas to keep everything smooth and in place. I'm taking the champagne shimmer again and applying it on the inner corners of the eyes, then softly extending it upwards to create an elongated inner corner highlight. Next I'm using the Mars Double Trouble Mascara and taking the lengthening side, that's step 1, I'm applying it to the both upper and lower lashes. This is one of my favorite mascaras because it gives great length and it's like a tubing mascara. For my lips, I'm using the Elitine Colourpop Matte Lipstick in the shade Rose Nude. Since it leans a bit towards a darker mauve tone on me, I'm layering it with a nude lipstick from Moa Cosmetics in the shade Heroic to soften and lighten the overall lip color. Since I skipped highlighter earlier, I'm using the same champagne shimmer from the eyeshadow palette to highlight the bridge of my nose and the brow bone for a soft natural glow. Next Next, I'm defining my lips using the Mars Cinnamon Roll Lip Liner for a more polished look. After that, I'm adding a clear shiny lip balm. You can also use any clear lip gloss if you prefer. I'm applying it using a gentle dabbing motion instead of dragging so the lip color stays in place and doesn't move around. I completely forget to highlight my cheeks, so this is the third time I'm highlighting, but honestly, I'm genuinely impressed by the shimmer quality of this palette. It's super fine and very glowy. And yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I would love to know what you think and what kind of makeup you would like me to create next.